Welcome to Southern Kentucky Rehabilitation Hospital. From the moment you come through our doors, you will see and feel the difference. Our team will provide you or your loved one with compassionate care in a warm and hospitable environment. We won't just return you to health. We'll make sure your hospital experience is a rewarding, life-changing event. Our goal is getting you back to better.
Located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, Sky Rehab Hospital provides the best in rehabilitative care. And over 21 years' experience in the local Bowling Green community, our friendly and encouraging staff is eager to help you or your loved one through the rehabilitation process. Here, you will receive a customized treatment plan based on your unique condition and needs. Our hospital staff is focused on one common goal: getting you back to enjoying your life. Our fully equipped patient rooms with 60 licensed acute inpatient rehabilitation beds allow us to address your needs quickly and effectively. Our state-of-the-art gym provides our trainers with the best technology available to effectively work towards your recovery. Sky Rehab Hospital is the only licensed acute inpatient rehab hospital in the area, providing comprehensive interdisciplinary therapies with in-house laboratory, radiology, and pharmacy services. Our indoor pool is temperature controlled to a therapeutic 98 degrees Fahrenheit and is equipped with rehab-specific equipment to enhance aquatic rehab outcomes. The family-friendly atmosphere at Sky Rehab encourages our patients' loved ones to be a part of the process and provide additional support when they need it most. Together with our fully equipped facility and compassionate and highly trained team, you will be on the path towards recovery and gaining back your independence. For more information, please contact us or visit our website at skyrehab.com.